I think I'm absolutely shocked to know that the railways have invoked the Railway Act, to acquire private land for the doubling of the Southwestern Railway tracks. I'm really shocked because in these days, everybody is worried about survival with respect to COVID-19. And the central government goes and passes the Railway Act for acquisition of private land. Okay? I have no words to describe my feelings at the moment because I'm really and utterly shocked that in these days, when everybody is worried about survival, we are still thinking of taking people's land for projects which, according to me, are not necessary. Because the present Southwestern Railway line that exists, there are hardly any trains moving along the tracks. Maybe 2 in the morning, 2 in the afternoon or late evening. So I think the government has to tell the people of Goa why this land is, why it is so essential to double the railway tracks. What is the purpose for doubling the railway tracks at the cost of the misery of the people of South? Take up this issue with the Honorable Chief Minister Dr. Pramod, because I have quite a few questions to ask. I have to know the purpose of doubling and for what are we doubling, and whether such projects can be done in a tiny dot-sized state of Goa where land is so scarce.